Hello classmates, I decided to make my website based on a portfolio that I'm trying to grow. I am going to showcase the work that I've done in my visual media and graphic design class, as well as any future classes that I'll be taking for my major, which is web design and development. My logo is simply my name, Karla Garlitz, since it's just going to be about the work that I've done so far. Here in the homepage, I am featuring my latest project, which was done in my graphic design class for a artist named Bradbury Thompson. And here is the poster I created. I've also decided to include a small quote by an artist named Neville Brody. And I also have here what is going to be seen on my portfolio and blog page. Is kind of like a quick link that can take you there, where you can see my logos, magazines, album covers, advertisements, and sketches. That's also going to be previewed in the 2 pages up on the top. I also have here a way for people to reach me on the homepage so that it's quick and easy. All you need is name, address, subject, and message. This can also be viewed on my About page. On my About page I have a picture of me so people get to know a little bit about me and how I look, and here's the other section where you can get in touch with me. I also included some links, my LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Facebook, and they all do work, so they can get to know more about me and who I am and what I've done so far. And on my store, I decided to include some things that I can sell based on design, like business cards, logos, and posters. And each one has different varieties. So for the business cards, based on the size of the card that I'll be designing is the pricing. The posters design, we have the number of designs. So if you want 5 designs for a poster, that's how much it'll be. So they all are a little different, so you have to make sure you see what exactly it is that I'm selling, because I am not selling the business cards, but the designing, so that people don't have to worry about that. And here, same thing for the logo. If it's for your website or a YouTube profile, the pricing will be different. They do range between the prices that you see here. You add it to your cart and you can check out or keep buying more things depending on what you're interested in. I've really enjoyed working on my portfolio. It's been really fun with some of its challenges, but it was a great experience. Thank you all for the feedback you gave me throughout the summer session. So hope you have a great day before starting school back up.